How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel, Make Money Trucking, and this is my 2014 F-150. And today we're going to be replacing the brake pads and rotors. I'm just going to do a quick video on that, how to. So first off, we chalked the front wheels because we can't use the emergency brake since we are doing the rears. I already did the fronts in another video. Alright, so something I like to do is unscrew the cap to the brake fluid reservoir so that it lets air out when we push the caliper closed on the back calipers when we slide them back on there. Alright, so we're going to do this bolt and that bolt, and then that should allow the caliper to come out. Alright, we're going to pull the caliper off and set it aside up here, and we'll remove the brake pads. Alright, we got the caliper and the pads out, and now we're going to undo this bracket. There's one bolt here and one bolt here. We'll undo those and get this off. So you got the caliper or the bracket off, and we'll go ahead and clean the bottom of it here. The brush for the new retainers or brackets to go in there. Then next we'll get the rotor off itself. Alright, so we got the rotor off, and then we'll inspect this, clean up these pads a little bit. Make sure there's no leaks. I don't see any leaks in there. And I'll put the new rotor on. I'm gonna spray this with some brake clean and clean this all up. It was a little dirty, and we'll start reassembling everything. All right, so here's the new rotor. We're actually gonna spray it with brake clean because it's gonna, just in case it has some assembly oil on it or protective oil. Turn over, either side. I'm gonna wipe it off. Flip it over, wipe it off. Alright, so we got the bracket back on. We got these clips back on. We also greased them on all the corners, and we'll install the brake pads and then put the piston and caliper back on. Alright, so we're going to use this C-clamp to push the piston in so we can slide it over the brake pads. Alright, so we got the caliper pads and rotor on. We tighten up all the bolts back here, and yeah, we just gotta put the tire back on, do the same thing on the other side, and we'll be good to go.